Yo, what's up, guys? I'm sorry I haven't posted in a long time, but here's a video. Okay, I just bought my guns. Let's go out of the stories. Are you serious right now? Anyways, let me just kill this guy. I need to kill someone. Damn. Oh my gosh. Headshot. Kobe. Ain't no way I miss. You motherfucker. A little chaos. Boom. I'm him. Deadass. Am I him? I might be him. What the fuck? Get your bitch ass over here. Get your bitch. Headshot. I'm him. Ooh, another one. Ooh, another one. Oh, another one. I'm Jason Tatum right now. What the fuck? Boom. Come on now. Boom. I hate you, man. Why'd you do that? Please. Come on. Trick shot. Let's go. I fucking hate you, Maja. Fucking. Change my weapon. Actually, nah. Let's deploy. Come on now. Why are people Why? I'm stuttering, bro. Why do people be shooting me from the back? Like, bro. Anyways, boom. Headshot. It's the same guy, bro. Anyway, bop, bop. Oh, double kill. Bet. Triple kill. Bet. Yeah, I swear if I die to this guy, though. This guy. I mean, this guy. I'll be right back. So here's some music while you watch me play. Okay, hi guys, I'm back. Oh, that's a headshot. I missed. I'm still. Ooh, I'm cooking. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's the same guy. Boom, shaka shaka, boom, boom, boom. I'm in the. That's some bullshit. Bro, we just created the whole thing again. Bro! Just get that girl away from me. Please, stop killing me. Watch it. Oh, yeah, I got my girl. Bitch. No, not like that. Stop shooting me from the back. Please get off my boom. Boom. Twice actually. One headshot. What? I was behind the wall. Here's some more music.
Can you hear me now? Lying in this bed, embedded in this written story.